So those are my birds. And I have something special to show you guys. Yeah, let me block this off real quick. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna see Dragon Ball Z Resurrection.